9 times table, made easy.
Ho, ho, ho!
Hello, welcome to the Math Quest channel. Today we will learn how to memorize the multiplication table by 9 in the easiest and most fun way. If you are ready, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 1 equals. Let's begin counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the left side, 0 finger. On the right side, 9 fingers. 9 1 equals 9. 9 2 equals 1 second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the left equals 1 finger. On the right equals 8 fingers. So 9 2 equals 1 and 8 1 8. 9 3 equals 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. On the left side, 2 fingers. On the right side, 7 fingers. So 9 asterisk 3 equals 2 and 7 equals 27. 9 4 equals 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. On the left side, 3 fingers. On the right side, 6 fingers. So 9 4 equals 3 and 6 3 6. 9 5 equals 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. On the left side, 4 fingers. On the right side, 5 fingers. So 9 5 equals 4 and 5 4 5. 9 6 equals 6 finger. 5 4. Fill in this table with your fingers. 9 7 equals 9 8 equals 9 9 equals 9 10 equals